Hi guys! Welcome back to Staff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to change language in Bing AI. If you are having a difficult time in understanding the English language while using the Bing AI, or if you want to make yourselves even more comfortable with or while using your own language or your preferred language, then this video is perfect for you. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So all you need to do, guys, is open your AI application on your mobile phone. So as you can see, guys, I already have one. So all we need to do is just to simply open it. And by the way, guys, do not forget to log in your account. So now here, guys, this is the 5 icons where you can see, and of course at the upper left part of the screen you will see here the profile icon. So the next step we need to do is just to tap this and look for the setting. Okay, so now let's tap the setting and look for the language. So let's scroll down our phone. All right, so there it is. And as you can see, guys, the country, the region that is default here is Philippine. And of course, the language default here is the English. So since if you want to search or to switch this into another language, we have to do is just to simply tap this English, and you will now see here a different languages that we may choose from. All right, so let's say for example, if you are comfortable in using this language, this one, then we can simply tap this and apply restarting, and there you go. As you can see, the languages here in this Bing AI already changes. Okay, so you can see, so this is a very simple. So now let's try to set the original language, okay, that we've used a while ago. So all we have to do is just to tap this, all right, and change into English, this one. And there you go. This is on how to change language and in Bing AI. So if you want to know on how to change language in Bing AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to change language in Bing AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!